What we have been talking about push-to-talk for a long time. Scout Ed doesn't have push-to-talk. It's a major blocker to be popular in Asia. When I look at the latest phones, I feel that actually push-to-talk is already there. Let me give you a demo. So I'm going to show in 3 languages: English, Mandarin, Chinese, Cantonese, which people in Hong Kong speaks. For each of this language, I'm going to say, how are you? What are you doing? Can you give me a photo? 3 of the languages are saying the same thing. Okay. This is iPhone. Let's go to set it to English first. English. How are you? Send. What are you doing? Can you give me a photo? Send. Okay, this is English is done. Let's go to Chinese, Mandarin. Here, change it to Chinese, simplify. This is it. 你好。你在干什么？你有没有相片？ Okay, this is Mandarin, and then Cantonese, Hong Kong. Change to this is traditional. 你好嗎？你做緊乜？ Cool. 你有冇相片？ Cool. Yeah. See, people can speak very fast and push to other people in a short time. And then the advantage is it has a text display there compared to the voice push to talk. One advantage is that it has use less data when you're computing the data, and also you can monitor. For example, we can see we can monitor. Community manager can monitor this.